Wow, look at this place.
It's so big! Where do we go first?
Welcome to Playland. Here is your map.
Thank you! Let's find the best ride. Look, a roller coaster!
Yes, let's go there first. I am so excited.
Me too, but it looks very fast.
Don't worry, Sarah. It will be fun.
I hope so. Har! Whee!
This is amazing.
Ah! I love it! That was so much fun!
See? I told you.
Now let's try the carousel.
Okay, I like the blue horse.
This horse is so pretty.
Whee! We are going up and down. What's next on the map?
The big wheel. It looks so tall. It is very, very tall.
Don't worry, it goes slow. It's relaxing.
Look, we are moving up. I can see the whole park. Wow, it's so beautiful up here.
I can see the roller coaster from here.
Look, there's the popcorn stand. I'm hungry. Let's get some popcorn. Can we have one popcorn, please?
Of course. Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. This looks delicious. This popcorn is so yummy.
Yes. Now let's find another ride.
Bumper cars, let's try it.
Yes, I want the red car. I'm gonna bump you.
No, you can't catch me. Boom, I got you. Haha, that was funny. That was so much fun.
Let's check the map again. Look, teacups. Let's spin.
Okay, but not too fast, please. I will spin the wheel. Not too fast, Ali. Whee! Faster, faster! Faster! Ali, slow down, please. Okay, slower now. Thank you. That's better. My head is spinning.
Haha, mine too. That was fun. Come try the ring toss. Win a prize.
Ooh, let's try it, Ali. I did it! I won!
Here, Sarah. This is for you.
Thank you so much, Ali. What is that big slide?
Let's find out. It looks exciting.
It's so tall. How do we get up?
There are stairs. Let's climb. We are almost at the top.
I can see the whole park from here.
Wow, it's a long way down.
It looks scary. I don't know. Whee! Come on, Sarah. Okay, here I go.
Ah!
Wait, this is fun. I did it! I did it!
I knew you could do it. You were so brave, Sarah.
Thank you for believing in me.
Wow, look how high it goes.
It's so beautiful. Do you really think we can ride it?
I think we have to.
This is going to be so much fun. I'm ready this time. Whee! We are flying!
I feel like a bird.
That was the best ride ever.
Yeah, but I'm so ready to sleep.
Wow, that was the best day ever.
Yeah, I can't wait to come back.
Mira, I told you I'd race you to the park gate.
You only won because you started early, Arav. Come on, let's go on the swings first. Last one there pushes the other on the swing. Push me higher, Arav. Higher.
Look, I can go higher than you.
No way. Watch this. This is the best part of my whole day.
Mine too. Park days are the best days. Phew, I'm getting thirsty. Let's slow down a bit.
Okay, let's sit on the bench for a while. Look, isn't that little Chintu near the gate? He's so small to be walking around alone.
Yeah, I've seen him around the park before.
Where's his mother? Wait, who is that man talking to him?
I don't recognize him. I've never seen him here before.
Hello, little boy. Do you like toy cars? I have a big red one right outside.
A red one? I love red cars.
Arav, something feels wrong. Look at Chintu's face. He looks confused.
I feel it too. That man is holding his hand too tightly. Mira, we can't just sit here and watch.
You're right. Let's go over there right now. Stay calm, act normal. We'll just walk up to them.
Okay, follow my lead. Chintu! There you are! We were looking for you everywhere.
Arav Bhaiya, Mira Didi.
Oh, you know this boy? I was just helping him find his toy.
Really? Then why does he look so scared? Chintu, do you know this uncle's name?
No, Didi, I don't know him at all. He said he'll give me a toy car if I go with him.
Chintu, you should never go anywhere with someone you don't know.
Come on, Chintu, let's go. My car is waiting outside.
No! Chintu, come stand next to me. Sir, please let go of his hand right now.
It's none of your business, kids. Go and play somewhere else.
Let go of him right now, or I'll shout so loud the whole park will hear.
You silly kids, don't interfere. Everyone, help! This man is trying to take a little boy away.
Somebody stop him, please.
Stop him, please! Fine, fine. I'm leaving. Stop shouting.
Good, and don't come back.
Chintu, do you know the way to your house from here?
Yes, Paya, it's not too far, past the big tree.
That's exactly right, Chintu. Always stay near people you know.
I promise, Didi.
Hold my hand, Chintu. We'll go together, nice and slow.
Okay, Didi.
You're being so brave now, Chintu.
Because you both are with me, Didi.
There! That's my house, the blue one. It looks lovely, Chintu.
Thank you both so much for saving me today.
That's what friends are for, Chintu. Go on inside now, Chintu. You're home safe.
Will you both come play with me again tomorrow?
Of course we will, Chintu. We promise.
Yay! I can't wait! Bye, Arav Bhaiya.
Bye, Chintu. Go inside safely now.